Changing your phone number on Payoneer is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Visit the Payoneer website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to your account to make changes. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your account settings where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select personal information. In the account settings, find and select personal information. This section allows you to view and edit your contact details, including your phone number. Step 4. Update your phone number. Look for the phone number field and enter your new phone number. Make sure to double check the number for accuracy before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, scroll down and click on the Save button to apply the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email regarding the update. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be successfully changed on your Payoneer account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Payoneer support for assistance.